morning students, class 8. This is your teacher Vikram Singh Chauhan, and today we are going to do the second exercise of our chapter linear equations in one variable. Okay, now see exercise 7.2, question number 1. Question number 1 is saying, just read from your books, the sum of 3 consecutive even numbers is 42. Find the numbers. Means the sum of 3 consecutive even numbers. Okay, so how we just take them? Let the 3 consecutive even numbers be x, x plus 2 and x plus 4. Okay. Now according to the question, if we will add all these 3 numbers, then it will be equals to 42. Means x plus 2 plus x plus 4 is equals to 42. Now we have to solve it and find out the value of x. How many x are here? 1, 2, 3. It means 3x. And numbers 4 plus 2, 6 is equals to 42. Okay. Now we have to transpose everything to right hand side and we have to find out the value of x. So transpose 6 first. It is positive, it will go in negative. 42 minus 6, how much? 12 minus 6, 6, and what is left? 3. Okay. Now transpose this 3. It is in multiplication, so it will go in division. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 12. So the value of x is 12. Now can we have our 3 consecutive even numbers? Yes. What were they? One was x, second was x plus 2, third was x plus 4. So just substitute the value of x in place of x. 12, 12 plus 2, 14, and 12 plus 4, it is 16, and they were our needed numbers. Okay, see this question properly and write it down. Okay students, now come on question number 2. In question number 2 it is saying the breadth of a rectangle is 2/3 its length. Means in this question it is talking about a rectangle. So first of all draw a rough rectangle, give its name A, B, C, D. Okay, and we know it is length and this is breadth. Now see the question. The breadth of a rectangle is 2/3 its length. We don't know what is length, so we will take length as x, then breadth will be 2/3 of length, means 2/3 of x, 2/3 x. Okay, write it here. Let length be x. Some unit is given? Yes, it is given in meters. So length will be x meter and breadth will be 2/3 x meters. Okay. Now read the question. If the perimeter is 140 meters, find the dimensions of the rectangle. It means we have to solve this problem and find out the value of x, because dimensions means length and breadth. This we have to find out, but by the help of given thing, and given thing is perimeter. So perimeter is how much? Perimeter is 140 meters, and we know what is the formula of perimeter of a rectangle? 2 L plus B is equals to 140. 2 can be transposed to right hand side? Yes. 140 upon 2, and here in place of L and B we have to use its values. So values are, in place of x it will come x, in place of B it will come 2/3 x. So it is clear, here we can solve it 70 times, and in left hand side we have to take the LCM. So just take the LCM. It will become 3x plus 2x is equals to 70. And here now we have to add them. 3 plus 2, how many x? 5x. upon 3 is equals to 70. Now we have to find out value of x. So we have to transpose this 5 and 3 to right hand side. 5 is in multiplication with the variable, so it will go in division, and 3 is in division, it will go in multiplication. See here, x will be equals to 70 into 3 upon 5. Okay, now we have to divide 70 by 5. How many times? 5 ones are 5, 2 is left, and 5 fours are 20. Now 14 will get multiplied by 3. How much? 14 3s are 42. So in this way we had find out the value of x, and now we can find out length and breadth. So length was x, it means it is 42 meters, and breadth was 2 upon 3x, means 2 upon 3 into 42. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, and 14 twos are 28 meter. So this was the required thing. Just see on the board. Now students, come on question number 3, and question 3 is saying divide rupees 200 into 2 parts such that 1 by third of the first and 1 by second of the second are equal. It means first of all we have to divide rupees 200 into 2 parts. How? Let the first part be rupees x, then second part will be how much? 200 minus x rupees. Is it clear? Now according to the question was saying 1 by third of the first. So what is 1 by third of x? It will be 1 upon 3x, and 1 by second, 1 by 2 of the second. So 1 by 2 of this part. 1 by 2 of how much? 200 minus x. They are equals to each other. Okay. Now what we have to do in the question? We have to find out these parts. So for finding these parts, we have to find out the value of x by solving this equation. What will here? It is just x upon 3, and here when the bracket will open, then this 2 will get multiplied with, sorry, not multiplied, this 2 will get divided. This 2 will divide 200 also and x also. When I am saying division, if I will say multiplication, then I will say 1 upon 2. On opening of the bracket, this 1 upon 2 will get multiplied with 200 also and x also. Okay, so it is just a way of saying, if I am talking about 1 upon 2, then I will talk about multiplication, and if I am talking just about 2, then I will say about division. Okay, just open the bracket. 1 upon 2 into 200 minus 1 upon 2 into x. It can be solved 100 times. What is here? X upon 3. We know like things are getting added or subtracted. So x upon 2 we have to transpose it to left hand side, 2x. It is negative, it will come in positive. And what is left here? 100. Now we have to solve it, and for that we have to take the LCM. 6. Okay, 3 2s are 6, and 2 into x, 2x. 2 3 are 6, and 3 into x, 3x is equals to 100. How many x now there? 3 plus 2, 5x upon 6 is equals to 100. Now we have to find out value of x, so transpose 5 and 6 to right hand side. So x will be equals to 100 into 6 upon 5. 100 into 6 upon 5. Now divide it, 5 2s are 10, 0. X will be equals to 120. Okay. Now we can have our needed parts. First part, it was x, so it will become how much? Rupees 120. Second part, how much? 200 minus x, 200 minus 120. How much it will be left? 80. It is rupees 80, and this is the solution of our question. Okay. I have done question 1, question 2 and question 3. In my next video, I will do more questions. You have to do these 3 questions in your fair copies, plus you have to try question number 4 and question number 5. Okay, thank you.